Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today we have another newer AppMySite software that I come across, and I really want to do a review on this one, and just a little bit of tutorial on how to um, go about creating apps. Now, this AppMySite place is mainly focusing on converting any website. It could be a WordPress, it could be a Wix, it could be any other type of website, and convert it into an app for you. So this is a little bit different than Andromo or Bezier or Apply or any other different ones, in that its main focus is only to convert your website into the app. And the features it has right here is that you can put it onto Apple Store or Google Play Store, and they have a lot of different flash screen, make it really beautiful. This is perfect if you're looking to create an e-commerce store, or creating a course, or creating some sort of digital products you want to sell, or help you to gain more awareness and loyalty from your members or followers, etc. So it's definitely a website for a software for those who want to create selling digital products and listing it on here, or a physical product. It can be that as well. They have a smart card, coupons, rewards, all this checked out, and it's mainly geared toward converting one website to the app. And they have a lot of different payment gateway here that you can check out. So one of the things is that they have Stripe, they have PayPal, they have Apple Grill, sort of Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, and that's the main thing, is to send push notification to your user or to people who follow you. These are the languages that it support, which is a lot. And then you can also monetize your app with Google App Mob, and going that route as well. So people who are looking at your website, or this is another way to advertise instead of Google Ads. This is more like called Ad Mob on the app option. So show ad through your Google advertiser in real time your apps. See, it's pretty interesting. And they have a one-click chat support as well. So let's see here. Let's see. Monetizations, start for free, showing ads, capitalize on it. Yeah, so if you offer, like, have a lot of great blog posts and you want to advertise it on here, put it on an app and then advertise it on your app, is great. And then you can also monitor the ads, stuff like that. Okay. You can also, I believe you can also sell the services. If somebody, um, if you have a customer, you know, help your customer to log on and purchase things from you, and they can view the updated stuff on your apps through their My Profile, things like that. So yeah, so let's take a look inside here. So where was it here? So this is how it looks inside. Okay, so when you log in, you have an option to press create an app, and it's going to take you to this screen here. Usually you can put a name for your app. Let's just say that's Financial Freedom. Was it WordPress or was it others, for example? And then you can also put your links on here, and it just press create an app. Let's see what it says. And then it's going to take you to the screen where you can upload some images, app icon, how you want it to look. You can go to Pixabay or any other Unsplash free platform, or you have your own design of your own from Canva, etc. And you can put it on here. So basically, you just have something very basic here for you, and you can change how the icon, say I just want to say, let's, oh, it's only allow you to do so many words. So yeah, I'm just gonna do, oh, it's only allow you 3 words. Okay, that's fine. That's okay, fine. And you can pick the colors of your word. Oh, I think white stand out a lot more. And then after that, you're gonna go to the next one. This is appearance. This is icon, app icon, launch screen. Oh, this is interesting here. Launch screen. I guess it takes you to the next there. So yeah, you can adjust and play with it, and you can also upload a background image to it. And say, let's just say that you want to create something like they have a library, so that's pretty cool. How about, oh, there you go. Wow, it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Okay, how about this one? Okay, pick something like that. Oh, see, a picture like this makes it so much different, right? And then you can go to the next, it's step by step. So it's when you go down the tab here, log in and sign in and all that stuff, okay? And then go to color theme, and then it just walk you through it. So this is password. You can log on, have your members log on. You go color theme, and then this is something that they kind of picked for you already. Pop-in season. Let me see. This is a font. Okay, fine. So top header, and then what about this one? Home screen. I guess you can press next. And then it's going to walk you through how you want to design it. And this is pretty cool. Banners, block banner. Oh, wow. Pages and bottom bar. And you can put more setting here. Oh, yeah. So it has set up for you at the bottom of the app. It will show home, shops, and you can kind of adjust it a little bit too, which is pretty cool. So I want home button to be right here. And then how about menu next? Or do you want, oops, hold on guys. And then you can go play with it, play around, and you can do style, how it looks, how big you want it to be. I think it looks good. You can click on which one you want to, things like that, which is pretty cool. Or do you want it like different colors? Okay, borders. Okay, I think this one is good. It's too, wow, there you go. Just want a cooler color. Okay, okay, I see. I see how it is. Okay, and then save, go to the next one, and then it's gonna walk you through all the steps, okay? It's very simple, and then you save it, and then you go to the next one, which is uh, save. Okay, how come it doesn't take me to the next one? Okay, you go to the next menu, I guess, and then connect your website to create an app menu. Okay, then this is where you connect it, and you're gonna install the plugin onto your website, and then this is how it's gonna sync all that information into the app. So whatever you update on your website, it's gonna update on the app as well, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and then go to setting, go to general. Wow, so this is gonna be the user, enable user login. This is, I didn't know it has that. So yeah, you can have people log into and you enable guest browsing. You can prompt your user to log in. Oh, this is awesome as well. You can have people logged in to your Google login, or Apple logged in, or Facebook logged in. Oh, this one's coming soon. What is this here? Oh, yeah, that's really awesome. Just save it. See, nice. Okay, now set it. Post. Yeah, grid. Hey, you want pages. Okay, and then social. Oh, yeah, and then you have a chance to preview it. Oh, yeah, you have to connect it. Okay, I wonder if it has an option for you to, let me see, there's a monetization, merge app. Oh, wow, merge app, connect multiple website or multiple network into a single mobile app. Wow, I didn't know that it has that option. Okay, now you can chat. What is that? Chat. Oh, you can chat with your app user. Isn't that crazy? And then notifications. So let's just say you have a membership site, or you have a course that you're selling and they want to have access to you. They have questions, and there's also add-on. You can add more stuff onto it. Okay, okay. So white labeling remove. Okay. Multi-site support. That's really cool. So they also sell more services for you. So if you're interested in customer chat, all this stuff is really great. Okay. And then, yeah, let me know what you think.